Hey guys, I'm Rob Miranda. You might know me from my Instagram page, RobMiranda21. I do a lot of dinosaur collecting, you could say. I also paint a lot of things, but that's not really why I'm making this video today. I just received this big box here. It's from Prime 1 Studios. It happens to be the Jurassic Park 1 15th scale Tyrannosaurus Rex. So I'm really excited to open it, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So this box is huge. It's about a little bit higher than my waist. I've got my trusty knife here. Remember guys, cut away from the human. It's the smartest thing to do. And let's see what we got. Trying to make sure I keep the box in good shape because I'm sure it's right underneath here. Got a lot of boxes. This is the definite biggest one I have received. Alright, so packed really well. Looks like I got number 27 out of 500, and this is the EX version. That means that it comes with a goat. Poor little goat that got eaten in the first movie. Whew, box is gigantic. Gotta get it out of the wrapper. Looks really pretty. Put it right side up. Look at that box art. It is fantastic. Turn it around. Just that beautiful lighting, the lightning, just like the movie. Alright, inside we got a nice summer 2019 Prime 1 Studios catalog. Prime 1 makes probably the best statues out there today. Let's see if we can find the Jurassic Park section. Oh, here we go. Jurassic Park and World, can't forget that. So we got the Indoraptor. This is the T-Rex that we're opening today. That's the really nice Indoraptor. It looks like it lights up on the bottom. So it must be really, really nice. We got there's Triceratops. This beautiful Spinosaurus from Jurassic Park 3. The different Velociraptors. We got Blue, baby Blue. Hoping I can get one of these. And then we got the smaller scale models. We got the Brachiosaurus, the T-Rex, the Triceratops. Probably, I would say they're probably Papo sized. And then we got some other great movie lines. But let's continue on. Alright, so I decided to clean up a little bit, but let's see if I can get this out of here. Alright, let's get this big box out of the way. Is there a this side up? But I'm going to venture to guess that it's not packed this way, so let's try this way. right. Let's see what we got here. Whew, man, this is bigger than I thought. So let's start with what looks to be the base. Really beautiful base. Nice heft to it. It's got this nice metallic looking Jurassic Park badge. Got the Tyrannosaurus Rex label on the bottom. We got skulls and bones from different dinosaurs. This actually kind of looks like the Indominus Rex. And we got the track for the explorers. We have some footprints. Obviously this one's covered with water. It's supposed to be raining in the scene. We got the walls, mud. Really, really, really nice. Part 2 base is the base for what looks like, yep, this is definitely the base for the goat. This version comes with the goat, and I think this is why this is limited to 500. I'm not sure what the edition size is for the regular version, but what do we got here? Alright. Bunch of greenery. It's not labeled, so hopefully you'll be able to figure that one out. Put that to the side. Alright, this looks to be our first fence post. Yep. Alright. Right down to the lights. Don't think they light up, but it's still really, really cool. And let's see. Looks like this is the big center one. Put that there. Got fence post 2. And it looks to be a little smaller, and it's bending inward. Not looking like that's the right. Well, let's see. And actually, maybe it was. Let's see. And for now, we'll leave it there. We'll figure it out later. And third fence post. That's definitely not that way. There we go. Yep. So that looks like that's it. So, don't see wires, but, oh, yep, they're there. They give you some wires, you got to put those in yourself. I'll have to read on how that works, but they obviously go in between each one of these. And you might want to leave one frayed just to see, make it like that's the one that broke out. And the final piece, which I'm really, really excited about. Tyrannosaurus Rex is my favorite dinosaur of all time. As you can tell, completely obsessed. And here we go. This is the 1/15 scale Tyrannosaurus Rex. Looks like a beautiful exact copy of what Stan Winston Studios made for the film. I believe Julian Romeo 3D modeled this for Prime 1, and he is the guy to go to when you need a Jurassic Park dinosaur. Every scale, on the face, on the back, on the underbelly, you got that nice crocodilian pattern there. The painting is just so well done. A couple little paint mismarks there. Nothing that's a big deal. I might actually be able to fix that myself. And let's slot her in onto the base. Alright, one thing I forgot, of course, in my excitement. This is the goat that goes on the base of the EX. Let's put that there. Got the chain and everything. Poor little goat. On the base, goes like this. fence post goes there. And there we go. Nice little snack for the T-Rex there. And to my surprise, there was a little 10,000 volt symbol that hangs on the fence post there. See if we can get a close up of that. Just like in the movie. And this out. So you have all of these electrical wire. They each slot in. There's holes on each portion. You just slide it through. I think they're called eyelets. Like that. Now, one thing that's important is that it's pretty much do it your own. You're going to bend these, make it look like they were damaged when the T-Rex escaped. Alright, so when I was putting it in, I had a little bit of an accident. That's why I cut the video. Anyway, so I bent it a little bit. And now we have all these planks to install. There's no directions on how to do it. So there's just, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 holes. All the same size, so you can just insert planks. They all have metal wire inside the plant, so you can bend it however you want. Alright, so looks good to me. I might change them around a little bit, see how it feels, but and now the piece de resistance, the little sign, you're just going to bend that over one of these guys, let that hang there. And there she is. I'm sure there's a more accurate place to put it. I'll do it when I finish. But here she is. I mean, full disclosure, I love this thing. It's definitely one of the main prizes of my collection. I did receive this free from Prime One because I won an Instagram contest. And I just wanted to really thank them. This T-Rex is definitely in a good home. And it's going to be loved and cherished for a long time. Maybe I'll do some beauty shots of it, and I'll put them inside the video. But, I mean, this is it, guys. It's the Prime 1 EX version, 15 scale Tyrannosaurus Rex. I believe it's called the Legacy Museum Collection. Or maybe just the Museum Collection. Alright, well... it's great sharing this with you. If you want to see some more stuff, I have a bunch of Jurassic Park items, some replica props, some actual props from when I did Jurassic World, my 3D prints, other items from Chronicle Collectibles, Prime 1 obviously, W Dragon, just all over the map. So, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time.